How to fix Windows could not start VGC service. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the control panel of your computer, and after that select the option of uninstall a program. And now you need to search for Riot Vanguard, and you can find it right over there, or you can just simply search for it. After that, just right click on it and uninstall it. Now you need to open up either the Riot client or the Valorant on your PC or laptop, and after that you would be able to find the update option on your Riot client or the Valorant. Just simply click on it and update it. It might take a little while to download that particular package and update it completely. And after the download is complete, just simply restart your PC and it should be working quite fine. If the problem is still there, just simply contact the support and they will help you out in a better way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.